Welcome to Biology. Biology. Hey, Biology. Biology.
Geeking on that water hot. Nah. I'm not tryna fuck tomorrow, baby. I want. Nah. Hey, take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want. Nah. I'm not tryna fuck tomorrow, baby. I want. Nah. Woke up in the kitchen, say that I did this shit up and okay, baby. Drunk in love. We be all running from the boom, and we did it on the floor. So she walking kinda funny, should've never put this on. Bitch, I'm only 24 and everybody's salty. Niggas, stop your bitching. Everybody making money, we don't need to kick it. I'm dealing with my niggas, everybody got a clip. Did an album just to do it, dropping albums like a flip. Percocets, ecstasy, we did it for a week. I don't sleep with my enemies, gotta stay sane. It's like a full-time hobby. Everything I do, say you niggas always copy. All I wanna do is go on tour and drop albums. And if I live forever, probably drop 100,000. Made out of magic, my tongue got superpowers. I woke up in the morning, mornings passed out in the shower. Woke up in the kitchen, say that I love. Did this shit up and okay, baby. Drunk in love. We be all I've been sipping since I've been too young. That lean, baby girl. I've been popping, I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water hot. Nah. I'm not tryna fuck tomorrow, baby. I want. Nah. Hey, take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want. Nah. I'm not tryna fuck tomorrow, baby. I want. Nah. Woke up in the kitchen, say that I did this shit up and okay, baby. Drunk in love. We be all walking kinda funny, should've never put this on. Bitch, I'm only 24 and everybody's salty. Niggas, stop your bitching. Everybody making money, we don't need to kick it. I'm dealing with my niggas, everybody got a clip. Did an album just to do it, dropping albums like a flip. Ecstasy, see, we did it for a week. I don't sleep with my enemies. Gotta stay sane and take a full-time heartbeat. Everything I do, say you niggas always copy. All I wanna do is go on tour and drop albums. And if I live forever, probably drop 100,000. Made out of magic, my tongue got superpowers. I woke up in the morning, mornings passed out in the shower. Woke up in the kitchen, and did this shit happen, oh baby. Drunk in love, with me all I've been sipping since I've been too young. I mean, baby girl, I've been popping and I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water. I want you, nah. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, nah. Can't take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, and I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want you, nah. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, nah. Woke up in the kitchen, say that hell did this shit happen, oh baby. Drunk in love, with me all
Okay, this meal was done for my son. He's going to give you the overall of what he thinks about his meal. He did not want to be on camera, but here goes nothing. Okay, as far as the presentation, what do you feel about the presentation?
On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I think this would be a 100.
Okay, excellent. So now, what did you ask for on your menu? So tell us exactly what's on your menu.
Okay, started from the top, it is fried eggplant and garlic shrimp, mixed vegetables, and cauliflower casserole.
Okay, so now, are you ready to taste test?
I am.
All right, you tell us what you're going to taste test and then tell us out of 1 out of 5, what do you give it?
I try the cauliflower casserole first. That's definitely a 5. It's very creamy. I like it.
Okay, so now what would you like to taste?
I'll try the shrimp. The garlic shrimp. Very good. I have to get this to 5 too.
Okay. And guys, this is honest opinion, mama or not. This is honest opinion. Okay, what would you like to do next?
I have a fork, so I'm gonna just use my spoon again. But I'm gonna try the mixed vegetables. That's really good. That might be the best thing. I really like the mixed vegetables.
Okay.
And the eggplant.
And this would be your appetizer item, guys. This is eggplant, so it would be your appetizer, which what you would get before your meal. But he told me he wanted this after I finish his meal. So of course, mommy cook it up. So out of 1 out of 5, what do you give your eggplant?
I give it a 5. A strong 5, 6 maybe. The reason I said it is because usually with fried foods, they can lose flavor, but this still has a lot of flavor. And it's not very greasy.
Okay.
Everything's different.
So if this had to be in a restaurant, would you order this, and do you honestly think it would taste like the same taste you're tasting now?
I would definitely order this, and the only way I think it would taste like this is it was your restaurant.
Whoop, whoop. So thank you so much, JJ, for coming to it. If you want to know more about who's behind taste testing this and who wanted this keto meal, please go to YouTube and look for it on your screen and type in Coupen, which is spelled Coupen. He's also on Instagram and Snapchat. So guys, this is me and I'm out. So guys, just because I'm mama does not mean girlfriend cannot cook. So he wanted this meal, guys. So I definitely delivered as usual. So guys, I have some collabs coming. And it's collabs with other YouTubers. So guys, they will, besides my child, because of course, they have been eating my cookies since the day they've been born. But guys, I'm going to have some more other YouTubers coming in. And also, the eggplant is with my batter. I do make my own batter. And it might soon be out on the market. I don't know. But anyway, guys, please like, comment, and please do share it out for this meal, guys. The main meal, which was the shrimp, the mixed vegetables, and the cauliflower casserole, it took me 15 minutes to cook it all. 15 minutes. That's prep, cook, and done. Until he told me he wanted the eggplant, and the eggplant took me less than a total of 7 minutes to fully cook. And that was the whole eggplant. So guys, if you want some quick meals and you are doing keto, you know what to do. Hit your girl up. If you want a meal, you're not sure how to do it, but you are on keto, or just you are dieting and want something very good, just let me know. I will cook it up, show you how to do it. So guys, until the next time, Viology is out. Bye guys.